Hi, so today we would like to see how to interface the Maker Feather AIOT S3 with the Blynk app. Okay, so let's begin. So the first step is that we need to download the Blynk for the Arduino. So let me open the Arduino library here. So just go to File, go to the Sketch, include library, and manage libraries. Okay, so once it is ready, type the Blynk and press enter. So in my case, I've already installed it, so that's why you are seeing here, but I can update it, so I will just update it now. So if you haven't installed it, you can click the install button, and once it is installed, then we are good to go. So next we go to the file, go to examples, then see a Blynk. So go to Blynk bots Wi-Fi and choose ESP32 Wi-Fi. Right, so this is the example for the Blynk. So what we're going to do today is we want to see how we can turn on and off an LED. So the LED, one of the LEDs here, as you can see here on top here, through the Blynk web dashboard. Right, we want to create the Blynk dashboard. So let's see how we can create a Blynk web dashboard. Okay, for that we need to open a new window. So this is the new window. Go to the Blynk. So this is the Blynk first one. Right, so if you don't have an account, you need to create an account first. If you already have an account, just click login. In my case, I already have an account, so I will just click login. Okay, so this is just some updates. You can just ignore that and go to the template, create new template, and just give a name, Maker Feather AIOT S3. Okay, so we are gonna use the hardware is the ESP32. No change, as the connection type is Wi-Fi, and this is my template for Maker Feather AIOT S3. Okay, and click done. So once it's created, then okay, we are good to go. One step is done. So just click save button. Right, then go to search device and click a new device, and we click from template and choose from Maker Feather AIOT S3 and click create. So now you have the define the blank template ID, the template name, and also the Blynk authorization key. So that means we are good to go. So just copy to clipboard, keep it in the clipboard first, and we can update it later, or we can come back later. So here, what we want to go do is we want to create a simple switch that can control the LED. So what we're gonna do is, okay, no widget. So just go to here, click Maker Feather AIOT S3 web dashboard, and click edit. So here you'll come to the whereby you can add the widget or update the device name and everything. So what we're gonna do is we want to add a switch here. So we will just add a switch here. Okay, so there's a switch here. Then click the gear button here. So this is where we will set up our switch. So here the name, you can just switch, no need to change the name, or if you want to change, you can change the name. Click create data stream and create visual pin. So this is switch integer V0. The pin name is V0 integer. The unit is none and value is 0 and 1. And we click the advanced setting here, and yep, I think that's all. We will do it here, nothing else. Just click create. Right, then we can click the show on and off labels. Don't click on. Okay, So we can just put the on here and the off here. Right. So next we can create save. So now the widget is ready to control the LED. What we're gonna do now next is we want to we want to configure our Arduino code. So we'll go back to the Arduino code which we have just opened just now here, right? So what we're gonna do is, okay, we're gonna change this one, everything here, inside here. So I'm not gonna show the char and SSID, which later I will update it. So here you can put in your authorization token, so which you can obtain from the, okay, you can go to the device info and you will get everything you need here. So just click to copy code and open the Arduino again, and can just paste it here. We just paste it here. So here you have all the details, the template ID, the Blynk authorization key. So this one we will just delete this because we don't want to define, and we just take the code here, copy and paste inside here, and we can delete this one. And what else? Blynk template ID, Blynk template name. Right, so I think the first step is done here. So later I will change the network name. We need to add another line here, whereby this one will be the, okay, we want to control the LED. So I will put the Blynk underscore right. So this value is the virtual pin value. So int pin value equals to parameter dot int. In here we will put digital right. We want to control the LED on the pin 40, so we will put the pin 40, then we'll just put pin value. Pin value, right? Then what we are going to do is we go to the void setup, and the serial begin we will change it to 115.200.200, and above that we will just put the pin mode for the 40 as output, and we're gonna add a delay here, delay for 10. Okay, so that's about it. And now I believe we can start to compile first, see if everything goes fine. And let me show the window here. I will just bring it over here. I'm gonna just go plug it here. So once it's downloaded, so now we are okay with the code. So the code is fine. So we'll try to upload. Now we upload the code to the Maker Feather AIOT S3. Once the code is successfully uploaded to the Maker Feather AIOT S3, now we can test the code. Okay, so once we have successfully uploaded the code, so now we can see that the device become online, and now we can bring the window. I'll try to minimize a bit the window. So I'll just try to put it here. Okay, now please notice that this light on number 40, pin number 40 will light up when I press the switch button. Okay, now a bit clear. Okay, see, let's on the switch on. Okay, now it's turning on. When I press, it's off. Now on, now it's off. Now it's on, now it's off. So that's how we control the LED on the Maker Feather AIOT S3 using the Blynk app. So that's all for today. We shall meet in our next tutorial with more interesting videos. Until then, signing off from you, Hussien, and bye-bye.